In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a very popular libraries in Python, which is called NumPy. NumPy basically can do a lot in your Python coding journey. It can help you to create a way. What is an array? I guess you basically have some basic concept. If you don't, you can just watch some of my tutorials in my course so that you can understand what array is. But basically in this tutorial, I'm going to show you few example. Just start from a very basic NumPy array operation. So first of all, NumPy should be built in your PyCharm or in your Python package. So import NumPy as NP. Usually we will use NP as the alias name of the NumPy. And then we define a variable called sample array equal to np.array. That's just that simple. We can create an array by just calling the array function and just open the bracket, and then we can just put some even number. In this example, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, basically we have 5 even numbers in the NumPy array right now. And next, we are trying to do some operation like adding 10, the values 10 for all of the items in the NumPy array. Okay, basically you can tell the values should become like 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20, right? Every items plus 10 should be getting that result. So how to do it? Just calling the array, sample array, and plus 10. That's simple. We should define a variable called new array equal to sample array plus 10. And now we're just trying to print it out, and then we can see that's amazing. It just that simple. Just imagine if you have like thousands of items in your NumPy array, you can just use this simple operation plus 10. And now you can see the result should be 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20, right? So adding some number to every items of a NumPy array is just by this expression plus 10. So another example, I will show you like how to multiply. Okay, before we are showing how to do the addition. Now we are doing the multiplication. So multiply by 100 in the NumPy array. Again, we can try to just call the sample array and then just multiply by 100 and just define an array, just call new array again equal to sample array multiplied by 100, and then we just try to print it out. And now you can see, or you can predict it, the values of each item become multiplied by 100, 200, 400, 600, 800, and 1000. Alright, so in these two simple examples, I guess you basically understand how to do the arithmetic operation with the NumPy array. And now I want to show you one more example. If we have two array, I want every items in the array do like an addition between the two array. What should we do? Alright, so actually that is really so simple and straightforward. Just call out the like sample array plus the new array, and then every items of the two array will be added together, and so the new array values, which is 202, 404, 606, 808, and 1010. So I want to give you an exercise like if the two array are not equally, the size is not equal, what is the result of the addition. You can try it by yourself in PyCharm as an exercise. And I will show you more example how to use the NumPy array and more efficiently.